Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure you have admin credentials and the target file visible. Once done, right-click the executable or shortcut. This opens the context menu where elevation options live. Make sure to pause and note the file path in case you need to navigate there again. If the file is on a network or external drive, ensure it's accessible and trusted. Now choose the obvious option to run elevated, but don't click yet. The next slide explains the exact choice and alternatives. Click Run as administrator to trigger user account control and elevate privileges. This is the direct method that works immediately. Once UAC appears, enter credentials or accept the prompt depending on your setup, and the process runs elevated. Make sure to use Shift plus right-click if Run as administrator is missing, which reveals extra context options. If you need the file to always run elevated, create a task in Task Scheduler and configure it to run with highest privileges. That avoids repeated UAC prompts and preserves security. After the app launches, verify admin status by checking for admin-only features or an elevated process in Task Manager. This confirms success. If the Run as Administrator option is unavailable or UAC prompts are suppressed, make sure group policy or local security settings aren't restricting elevation. Adjust carefully and only with permission. If problems persist, create an elevated task scheduler entry or an elevated shortcut wrapper to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.